YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. What up?
It looks like you lost another one.
LaShawn Wiggins BFC, I'm back here with another video. Let's go. We got Arnie on the beats. You can find him on YouTube with the fire beats. He's one of my favorites to use. Alright, today we're going to be talking about AMC and SNDL. As you can see, AMC is doing its thing. I thought it was going to drop by now. As you can see here, I have 12 shares. And I bought the 12 shares at $8.79. And right now, the last price, as you can see, I bought it for $8.79 for a total of $105.46. Right now, the price is trading at $13.96 for a value of $167. So $105 to $167, and that gives us a 59% gain, equaling $62 right now. A part of me wants to sell this position because my rules. I have my rules, but obviously for this position, I ain't sticking to my rules. And my rule is I like to get 2% to 5% and sell. Anything over is a plus. But this thing just been riding, and it's been riding. And there's certain reasons behind that, why that's happening. And you must know that, right? That will help you make a decision whether you should get out of the position or stay. And I'm going to explain to you why I'm choosing to stay and why I'm choosing to ride the wave. What do you mean by ride the wave? Well, let's look over here. Joey Butterfuke over here. I'm going to give you guys an example of what I mean by riding the wave. There we go. Alright, here's a wave. It's not a real wave, of course. I'm riding the wave. When will the wave stop? In order for you to know that when the wave is going to stop, there's a lot of different things you got to put into place, right? So let's zoom in. One of the things I like about this position so far that is creating higher highs. And what I mean by higher highs, what is this guy talking about higher highs? Well, this is a higher high, all right? So for today, for the high, AMC hit a high of, hold up, the beat about to stop. You ain't getting me. You ain't getting me, Mr. Beat Man. So today for the high, AMC hit 1437. All right, that's the high. Now, what does higher highs mean? Higher highs and higher lows mean there's an uptrend going on. All right. And when it comes to higher highs, this is going to be a high. This is going to be a higher high. This is going to be a higher high. This is going to be a higher high. Higher low. Higher low. Higher low. Higher low. Higher low. Okay. Is that stock going to keep doing this? Staying in that zone? I'm going to go with yes. Why I'm going to go with yes? Because I'm using my other tools. I'm using what I know, and I'm also using my tools. Let's go to the 2-hour chart. Look at the 2-hour chart. As I'm looking at the 2-hour chart, right, I see that my 200 average is kind of slanted. It's not flat. It's not flat, right? It's slanted. So that tells me that the price is still pushing. As I look at my 20 moving average, and as I look at my 5-minute moving average, they're all slanted. All right? So when you have your moving averages like that, the price is gonna follow. Now the price may break through, but because the lines are slanted, it's gonna break a little bit and continue going up. All right? Now, ain't nothing in the stock market guaranteed. Any given time right now, this stock could just go like this, right? But it's not showing that behavior that it will do that. You understand? So let's go back a little more. So the last high, we got 1347. 1437. The next high is 1247. Let's see what's the next one. 1189. So you see how the price not going to the left like I'm going to the right. The high got higher and higher. Okay. And from what it looks like right now, if AMC breaks 1725, you may get a nice push. Why is this? The highest it went is 1980. That was a good year. All right. Will it go back to there? I don't know. Or how about even this? But we gotta break this one first, and then this one, and then that one. Yeah. All right, 1 second. Sorry about that. I had to take care of something really fast, but I'm back. So as I was saying, this position keep creating higher highs, and every time it makes new support, the support is holding the price. All right. And what I mean by that? Let's go to like the 15 minute. Now let's go back to the 5. We're gonna do the 2. Show what I mean by new support and new resistance.
It looks like you lost another one.
So what I mean by that, as it makes new support and resistance lines, the price is not falling back down, breaking those lines. It just continue right now. We're just continuously doing this, as I stated, higher highs. All right. So we're gonna leave AMC alone. Like I'm still trying to decide what I want to do with this position. I may just what I might just do is today, I don't know, maybe I might just sell $60 of it, keeping my original cost in there. All right. You got 168 profits so far, minus 105. 3. So I might just take out $63, then open up a new position with that. Okay, how to grow a small account with Sean Wiggins BFC. I'ma show you the way. I'm taking all my knowledge over the years and now I'm putting everything together. Over the years, I learned in pieces, step by step, little by little. And we talking about, I'm gonna say 5 to 6 years. 5 to 6 years, I'm putting it all together now, right? Because before, I wasn't using moving averages. I wasn't using the MACD. I wasn't using the RSI. All right, we got a nice red one. We got a nice red candle coming up. Yeah, I love red candles because whenever you see a red candle, you just stand by and wait for the green one and see if you get that push. Switch to the line. Remember what I said? Remember what we talked about when it comes to the 20 moving average and the price point? You already know what's going to happen. The price is going to come down a little bit, whatever. But then it's going to do its thing to get back to that 20, right? And over. So this, being that the 20 is slanted, that's looking good, all right? Let's go over to SNDL. All right, SNDL. My position on SNDL. SNDL today is up 35%. Let's go. All right. In this position, I have 124 shares. I bought them at 113.
It looks like you lost another one.
And right now, SNDL is at 154, 155. It's going to give me a market value of 192. All right, 192. So for this position, I might do the same. Take my profits, which is we're looking at $50. Leave my original investment and let it keep growing. Right? Because we all know we're going to get a drop. This is not going to go to I don't think it's going to go to 100. I don't think. And sometimes our eyes, like going to a restaurant and you eat with your eyes, you'll start getting greedy, thinking that's going to go to 1,000%. Hey, it might do that, but it ain't happening no time soon, Anyways, let's look at the position itself. Let's go in. All right. I like to go backwards to see the behavior. I want to see the behavior. All right. I want to see the behavior of the stock. Okay. So as I'm looking at it real fast, I'm doing my little thing dizzle real quick. I'm gonna go look at my moving averages, see what's going on with them. All right. I like this 200. It's still on a slant. MACD looking good. RSI looking good. I want to go look at the 4-hour chart. I'm gonna get a little. Okay, I like what I see on the 4-hour. Look at the 4-hour. Look at that 20. Look at the 200, the 20, and the 5. All right. Looking at the RSI from the history on the 4-hour. I look at that RSI on the 4-hour. See how it dropped right there? And it didn't break that level. So what I'm thinking is gonna happen, it's gonna come up close to the RSI again and maybe bounce off of this and go up. We're gonna see. We gotta wait. Look at the 2-hour. Okay. So here's a good thing about the 2-hour. Remember what we talk about when it comes to the moving averages. Look at the 200. So yeah, you see the line is there. You got the price. Right now the price is underneath the 200. All right. Remember the relationship with the moving averages and the price point. When that price goes above that 200, oh, watch out now. Who knows what's gonna happen? Who knows what's gonna happen? So like I said, man, one of the things I gotta work on myself is taking my profits at the right time and cutting my losses. Okay, if you could do those two things, you'll become really, really good at this. Really, really good. So I gotta practice what I preach, and I know SNDL has earnings coming up. All right, expected earnings on the 17th. Now, the past history of earnings for this company, it tends to drop after earnings, all right? But that was under the old leadership. Let's see if I can see the earnings on here. Oh, no, I can't. But yeah, I think the last 5 earnings, maybe once it went up because of the earnings, but I believe there's a lot of good growth in this company. You know, they have new management. They have no debt right now. Look at some of the comments below, see what the people were saying. Yeah, me too, brother. I'm waiting on my stimulus too, man. I wish I would have got it today. I would have put the whole thing in there. Yeah, there you go. A cupping handle. You guys know what a cupping handle is? Think of a cup with a handle. And basically what happens with a cupping handle, let me show you guys so you can see it. A cupping handle would be something like this. Okay. Price goes up. Okay. Price goes up, stops, comes down. I'm gonna do it one more time, and then after that, boop. 116 is the next level we gotta break for the push. Okay. The Strong Wiggins BFC. Gonna do another video at the closing or after hours, one of the two. Haven't decided yet. But this is what's going on right now for the SNDL. See what the analysts are saying. The analysts are saying, hold. 50% saying it's undersold. You don't really got nobody saying bye-bye. So the decision you gotta make on your own. Sometimes I don't really follow the analysts, but I'll tell you one time when I definitely really super follow them is when you see this be at 100. They be like, buy, strong buy, strong buy. That's when I jump in. Even if I don't know nothing about the stock, I'm jumping in. Alright, listen, that's it for right now. And I also want to show you guys something real quick. I opened up another brokerage because I like having more than one brokerage.
It looks like you lost another one.
I don't know how to read this. I don't know how to read this one that much. I gotta learn it. But I just bought me 2 positions today. I bought GPL. Like I said, I'm not gonna even try to read this right now. I'm still learning it myself. All right. So this is my new how to grow a small account. I'm gonna grow the small accounts too. We got 157 over here. Last week it made $8. Hey, LaShawn Wiggins, I'm out of here.